वाचं पद्मालयां पद्मां शुचिं स्वाहां स्वधां सुधां धन्यां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं नित्यपुष्टां विभावरीम् वाचं Padma alayam. Padmalayam is a compound word. Padmam, Shuchim, Swaham, Swadham is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranaha. Sudham, Dhas Mahapranaha. Dhanyam, Dhas Mahapranaha. Hiranmayim, Lakshmim. Hiranmayim ends in Anuswara followed by La. So the Anuswara changes to the nasal of La. Hiranmayil Lakshmim because of Sandhi. Nitya Pushtam is a compound word. Lakshmim ends in Anuswara followed by Na. So it becomes Lakshmin Nitya Pushtam. Anuswara changes to Na. Vibhavarim Bhas Mahapranaha. Nitya Pushtam ends in Anuswara followed by Va. So it becomes Nitya Pushtam Vibhavarim because of Sandhi. वाचं पद्मालयां पद्मां शुचिं स्वाहां स्वधां सुधां धन्यां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं नित्यपुष्टां विभावरीम् आदितिं च दितिं दीप्तां वसुधां वसुधारिणीं नमामि कमलां कान्तां क्षमां क्षीरोदसम्भवाम् Aditim cha. Aditim ends in Anuswara followed by cha. So it becomes Aditin cha. Anuswara changes to nya. Ditim, Deeptam. Ditim ends in Anuswara followed by da. So the Anuswara changes to na. So it becomes Ditin Deeptam Vasudham. Dhas Mahapranaha. This is a compound word. Deeptam ends in Anuswara followed by va. So it becomes Deeptam Vasudham. Anuswara changes to the nasal of va. Vasudharinim is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranaha. Vasudham ends in Anuswara followed by Va. So it becomes Vasudham Vasudharinim because of Sandhi. Namami Kamalam Kantam. Kamalam ends in Anuswara followed by Ka. So it becomes Kamalang Kantam. The Anuswara changes to Nga, the nasal of Kavarga. Kantam Kshamam. Kantam ends in Anuswara followed by Ksha. The Ksha starts with a Ka. So it becomes Kantang Kshamam because of Sandhi. Kshiroda Sambhavam is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranaha. Kshamam ends in Anuswara followed by Ksha, which begins with Ka. So it becomes Kshamang Kshiroda Sambhavam. Anuswara changes to Nga. Aditin cha ditin deeptam vasudham vasudharinim namami kamalang kantang kshamang kshiroda sambhavam anugraha pradam buddhim anagham harivallabham ashokam amritan deeptan lokashoka vinashinim anugraha pradam is a compound word. Buddhim, second dha is Mahapranaha. Anagham is a compound word. Gha is Mahapranaha. Buddhim anagham. Harivallabham is a compound word. Bha is Mahapranaha. Ashokam is a compound word. Amritam is a compound word. Ashokam amritam. Deeptam. Amritam ends in Anuswara followed by da. So it becomes Amritan Deeptam because of Sandhi. The Anuswara changes to na. Lokashoka Vinashinim is a compound word. Deeptam ends in Anuswara followed by la. So it becomes Deeptan Lokashoka Vinashinim because of Sandhi. Anugraha Pradam Buddhim Anagham Harivallabham Ashokam Deeptan Lokashoka Vinashinim Namami Dharma Nilayang Karunan Lokamataram Padma Priyam Padmahastam Padmakshim Padmasundarim Namami Dharma Nilayam is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranaha. Karunam. Dharmanilayam ends in Anuswara followed by Ka. So it becomes Dharmanilayang Karunam because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to Nga. Lokamataram is a compound word. Karunam ends in Anuswara followed by La. So it becomes Karunal Lokamataram. The Anuswara changes to the nasal of La. Padma Priyam is a compound word. Padmahastam is a compound word. Padmakshim is a compound word. Padma Sundarim is a compound word. Namami Dharma Nilayang Karunal Lokamataram Padma Priyam Padmahastam Padmakshim Padma Sundarim